people wearing fancy clothes. It's the voice of my people. Okay, let me turn that down. So today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday is a good day to get things done. It's July 18th. I was born on a Tuesday, and Tuesday is ruled over by Mars. So Mars is an energy that invigorates us and gives us our sense of ego, our sense of drive, our physical drive, the thing that gets us up and going and able to accomplish things, and it presents to us what our desires are in this life. So yeah, today is a good day to indulge in that kind of energy of being active and getting stuff done. Mars is actually also in Virgo at the time right now. So it's Tuesday, which is ruled by Mars, but the transit of Mars, a transit is a movement of a planet that goes around the zodiacal wheel. And we have Aries through Pisces, 12 houses. So it's gone through Aries and all the ones that follow, and now it's here in Mars. And so in Mars, now it's here in Virgo. And in Virgo, we know that type of energy is one that likes to organize things. It's also, people don't talk about it, it's an energy of purity. It's the Virgin. So it's things that are like kind of kept away, isolated, and apart from the broader society when you're talking about virginal kind of energies. So it could also be seen as a good time to tap into that energy within yourself, the thing that kind of puts you away from all the madness of the world and allows you to be the hermit, which is also Virgo energy, the hermit within your own energy. And in doing so, it's like they keep saying, it's a good time to get things done right now. So yeah, let's get it done. That's what the Martian energy is showing us right now, is to get the things done that you are passionate about, but also use this energy to get things done that you have maybe neglected or suppressed in a way, or put away, and organize your life, clean. Trying to think of the other things that Virgo shows us. I was gonna go deep, but I won't get so historical with the energy of Virgo. But yeah, it's a good time to organize, clean, analyze things perhaps that pay attention to detail. Very good time to pay attention to the details of things, and just be careful, because when Mars is in Virgo, we can make a big deal out of the little things. We can magnify things that are so small. I have this placement myself, Mars in Virgo, so I'm a very analytical person who does focus on the small details of things. There's a lot of importance in the small details of things as much as there is in the bigger picture. A lot of people might overlook the small details of things, and it's very logical energy to look at all those little details of things, but it helps because they tell us if you have a glass of water and there's a little piece of poison in it, that little piece of poison can affect the whole source of the water. So use this time to pay attention to detail. Perhaps do those things that require you to do that, because you may not usually be working with this energy, so it might not be an easy thing for you to pay attention to the small details outside of this transit. So use this energy while you have it to work on those projects that require more intense focus and precision. I'll stop rambling on. Thanks for watching. I've been having a lot of astro stuff in my head that I want to release and just put out there in the airwaves. So if you have any requests or anything you want to know about astrologically speaking, let me know.